Thanks to Spence and I, we're pulling this from the side. Look at our trail. We are two smart asses. Look at that. Yeah. Part 2. Just got the cement. Part 2. And he put it all the way over there. When I come around, I saw it. I was like, why did he put it on top of here? Okay, part 2. Friends, come again. We got cement to carry. Come on. Come on. Come on. Move your face. Move your face. Move your face. Move your face. This a lucky thing, this cement can't walk. Listen, I hope this works. I have no sand. No more gravel, no more sand. No, tell me, why in the world can't I get it right? I'm short again. I'm short again. What's the fudge? I mixed the half bag of sand and look, I am short. Fudge it. Look at that. I need 2 more shovel loads. The amount that I used to fill in this bit, that's the amount I need now to fill in this bit. So, I have no sand. But my neighbor told me where I could go get some free sand. over here, so I don't have to buy sand. I don't have my car. And the guy with my car, he's the one who buy me the cement, said, oh Lord. He never said my car need Jesus, but Lord of his mercy, my car need Jesus. Something is wrong. It's all electrical problem though, and he's taking his time to fix the car. But I know it needed a crank sensor harness. I don't know what else you guys call it. You guys call it another name. Crank sensor wiring. You know, the thing that you push the crank sensor in, the female part. I know I needed that. I bought that. He soldered up some wire, fixed up some stuff, and sorted out where it's like new again. He said that not going to give any problems. And bought a brain on Saturday and put it in. So he said he's going through all the wiring and going to solder them and fix them up, because it's the wiring, old wiring under there that giving all the trouble. And I'm showing you how I'm doing my column base. I don't know what it's called. And I'm talking about my car because I'm stressed out with the car. And hopefully when he's finished with it, it won't be shutting down and leaving me on the road. It has never left me on the road. Lie. Twice she left me on the road. And yeah, hopefully when he's finished with it, it will be okay, because it's an electrician has it. It has no machine shop problem, car shop problem. It's an electrical car shop problem it has. I don't know nothing about car. That's why I so dumb when I'm explaining my car to you. So I am good. Spence, turn on the pipe a little harder. Let me. I always ask Spence to do stuff, and Spence can't do shit.